I hope you have completed whatever the work I given. So now let's start with 5.3. You have to find the derivative with respect to x. So derivative with respect to x. Okay. So derivative of x is what? 1. So 2 plus derivative 3 is constant, derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of sin x is cos x. Is it? Take 2 on that side. So you will get 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. So dy by dx is will be equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y with derivative with respect to x. Is it? So x, what is the derivative of x? 1. So 2. So 2 plus 3 and dy by dx is equal to what is derivative of sin y? Sin y is cos y dy by dx, because we are taking derivative with respect to x. So with respect to sin it will be cos y, and with y will be dy by dx. So dy by dx will collect at one side. Okay. So 3 dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx. This constant will move on the other side, so it will be minus 2. So dy by dx common. So 3 minus will be cos y minus 2. So dy by dx. Is it? The dy by dx and the bracket 3 minus cos y is a multiplication, so it will go in division. So dy by dx is minus 2 upon 3 minus cos y. Is it? Minus sign. If you want to change this, remove this minus sign, then this 2 can be interchanged. Cos y can be written first, and this 3 afterwards. So sign minus will be vanished. Is it? So it will be 2 cos y minus 3. X plus by square is equal to cos y. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, so a plus b. Now with respect to power, so 2y. B is constant, so with respect to power 2y, and with respect to y dy by dx. And cos y, derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and with respect to y is dy by dx. Now collect dy by dx at one side. Is it? Okay. So you will say then 2y b dy by dx minus, so this 2 will collect at one side. So you will get 2yb dy by dx plus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus a. Take dy by dx common, so 2yb plus sin y is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus a. So dy by dx is minus a upon 2yb plus sin xy. Now it is a u into v form. So first x will be constant, we will have to take derivative of y. Then y will be constant, and we have to take the derivative of x, and we have to take the derivative here with respect to power and then with respect to y. Here derivative of 10, and here it will be derivative of y only. Is it? Okay. So let's start. This is uy. So first x is constant. What's the derivative of y? Dy by dx. Then y is a constant, derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1, so it will remain only y. Plus with respect to power 2y dy by dx is equal to derivative of 10 is sec square x plus y. Derivative of y is dy by dx. So again we have to collect all the dy by dx at one side. So you will get x dy by dx, 2y dy by dx, and here dy by dx minus, it will come this side, it will be minus dy by dx is equal to sec square, and this y will move on the other side, it will be minus y. So dy by dx will be taken common, so x plus 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to sec square minus y. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to sec square minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. So this is your final answer. Fifth sum, here x square means first derivative we have to take with respect to power, then x. Is it? U into v form means x will be first constant. You have to take derivative of y, and then y will be constant and derivative of x. Here y square means you have to take derivative of with respect to first power 2y, then dy by dx. 100 means it is a constant, so derivative of 100 will be 0. So derivative with respect to x. So with respect to power, it is 2x, and derivative of x is what? 1. So it is written as 2x. And u into v form, x is constant, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus y is a constant and derivative of x is 1, so it is only y. Plus now you have to take a derivative of y square. Y square is 2y with respect to power 2y. dy by dx is equal to 100. The constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Is it? So we'll take this 2 dy by dx common, and this 2 will be taken on together and on other side, so it will be written as minus. So take dy by dx common, so what will remain? Dy by dx x plus 2y, here minus this, and this remains, so minus 2x plus y in the bracket. Is it? The relation of dy by dx and x plus 2y is multiplication, so it will go in division. So dy by dx will be equal to minus 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. Cube plus x square y plus xy square, y cube is equal to 81. So 81 is a constant. So here first you have to take derivative of x cube, means respect to power, and derivative of x is 1. Here x square will be constant, we have to take derivative of y, and then y will remain constant, derivative of 2x. Here x is constant, x is to be remain constant, and we have to take derivative of 2y, y square, and then y square will be constant, and we have to take derivative of x. And y cube means with respect to the power we have to take is equal to 0. Is it? This is 81. So let's start with, so with respect to power, so 3x square, this 3 will come into power. Okay? You must be knowing it, no? X raised to n is equal to n, x raised to n minus 1. So 3x square. Here now y is a constant, derivative of x square. X square is 2x plus x square constant, we have to take derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Now second term, here x remain constant, we have to take derivative of y. First respect to power is 2y, and y, derivative of y is dy by dx. Is it? Then x remain, y square remain constant, and derivative of x is what? 1. So y square. Now we come to this term. First respect to the power, cube, so 3y square, and with respect to y is dy by dx is equal to 0. 81 is 0. Is it? The same thing what we'll do? We'll collect all the dy by dx at one side. Is it? So what we get? Dy by dx, x square dy by dx, 2y dy by dx, okay, 3y square dy by dx. If we take all this thing, dy by dx constant, common, so y square plus 2y, 2xy plus 3y square in the bracket dy by dx is equal to minus 1, 2, 3. This will be put in the bracket. Is it? So now the this bracket and the dy by dx has a relation what? Multiplication, so it will go in division. Is it? So x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Okay.